We need to get a tail shaft for this Skyline. I don't really want to wait 3 days to get like this part for $80. It's a bit crazy. So like, I think we might just buy a whole new car just to get one part off it, and we can just like, you know, put that part on today, drive this cool like one we just did today if we can, before Wednesday anyway, and then like buy the part on Wednesday, and then we can put that in the car we buy today, and then there's 2 of them, and then like gonna get the new Skyline. We're here in Lanuna, and a different type of mountain area in the Illawarra. Gonna try and buy this Skyline. Going down this long ass driveway like the guy just said. So I can drive down this driveway. '31 hideout. Some back shack. Get rid of these spare parts out of the tray. Alright, we're here. I'll call the towie.
Bro, this thing's clean as.
It's so tidy.
Few little rust spots.
No, that's not even rust.
That's surface rust. No, that's easy, bruh. Fucking steel.
Keep making this sound, otherwise it's fake. They're gonna know we're faking it.
It's not even on. God love it.
We're gonna tow it. Here you go.
Let's do this shit.
So our strap's caught under our wheel. Unbolt our fucking strap. Then we're gonna either roll the storm forward or back.
Push. Just in case.
Now, if you put the handbrake on,
needs a lot of adjusting and work.
this Skyline.
Yeah. Better as it's running and all, but
I'll put this down here back in the stack.
yeah.
At least the brakes work in this one.
Yeah.
Better than both the other two. Makes me worried. I thought the other two
It's all you now.
Yeah, I thought the other ones were fine, but this one's just like... The brakes work heaps good in this Skyline. See you, Caleb. I could like clutch starter right now if I really fucking wanted to, but the clutch like does some weird shit. I just put it into gear. Caleb made some... What?
It's pissing coolant at the moment.
Oh, that's alright. Got me scared. It's just leaking fucking coolant. It's nothing. We're kind of stuck because the car doesn't work. Everyone's like just parking in gay spots.
Where are we thinking?
I don't know, where do you reckon it's easy to fucking for a tow truck to get it?
Oh, honestly, they're probably going to have to go on the road. And then this is going to have to go around here.
Because it can't drive.
Down there.
Yeah, see what's down the road.
So, legit a park just showed up right next to where we were. So we're attempting to move it. I'm not sure how this will go. I may need to go help. Looks like can't make the turn. So we've got to tow it up the road a little bit more and then should be able to make the parking spot and then get this motherfucker home. Idiots. She's ready for a towie. practice your welding skills there.
Yeah, fucking well done.
Talk to him. Yeah, that's it. Yesterday we bought it and went to pick it up today. Yeah, that's it. Just in front of a garage and that.
That's what I wanted to get off Facebook or something, didn't you?
Yeah, exactly. Facebook.
Got the old rims and
Got
everything
it.
on it, eh? The old beast.
Yeah, got it pretty cheap and everything, and
Sweet.
needed everything. We have manual swapped and all. So
Oh, fucking laugh. Motor's still in there, everything. Fuel
all of
injection,
that.
this one? Or
Pretty
carbine?
sure it's fuel injection.
Fuel injection?
Single cam and all. Just like that one, we're actually manual swapping it at the moment. That's why it's up there. Yeah, just put the box in. We're actually going to use the tail shaft off this one till we get a new one. Exactly. Yeah, and why the G? Oh yeah. How is it, brah?
It's fucking so good.
Happy for you, hey?
It's so
Fucking home.
You should have bought this car.
Well, I was thinking about it, hey? There may still be a deal in it, hey?
By the way, it's cammed. The cammed Skyline. I don't think she loves it. Doesn't sound very happy at all. She's about to die. Oh, you just want to push me back? Oh, hey, wait. Lights off. There's too much crack in the back. Oh, the handbrake doesn't work. I thought it was working the whole time. Alright. Ready?
Oh.
Stop.
Stop. Can't really stop.
Yeah, not that quick, but
Full locker, yeah.
I'm just gonna sit in. I think it makes it easier for us to fucking steer it than trying to do it out the window.
Full lock, go back like 2 feet.
Can we still go back?
2 feet or so. Stop! Put it forward. Yeah, that's good, yeah. How far do you want it away from the curb?
Forward. Let me come forward heaps.
How far do you want it from the curb?
I've got brakes now.
Oh, you got brakes.
Yeah.
Fuck.
But I turned the car on. I need to come forward. I'll just make it easy.
Turn straight up and go forward.
Oh. Alright, backwards. Yeah, you go backwards now.
What the fuck?
Give it a push, bro. You're going back.
Backwards?
Yeah. Turn. Keep going. Alright, stop. That should be pretty good.
Cheers for that.